So Liam and I are down at the University of Missouri, which is located in our hometown. Liam made it back from college. My oldest is here. So we've got some summer projects. The summer projects are that we're going to work on content for the business. So we're going to do some recruitment videos and some other videos. We're also going to do some videos for some nonprofit work. A friend of ours is firing up a nonprofit that we're going to do some stuff with. And we're also then going to do some personal videos. Liam is going to be involved in helping with that stuff because he just got back from his first year of college.
Yeah, crazy.
So how was the first year?
It was great. I loved my first year of college.
So what is it you're studying?
I'm studying film.
Studying film.
And media.
How appropriate. So we're down here at the University of Missouri. We're going to walk around, shoot some B-roll, talk a little bit to you guys. Check it out. This is located in our hometown. So beautiful campus. Thought we'd get an opportunity to show you a little bit about the campus today and talk a little bit. So here we go. The sun is really bright here, so if it's glary, we apologize. Not to mention there's about 1,000 lawnmowers and jackhammers running around this place. We've been walking around enjoying the campus. It's a good sized campus here. There's a lot going on though. People are working during the summertime. So this is some new style content for Liam to work on creating because he's not done vlog style content before, and he is much more used to doing planned out shoots where it's a little more well thought out, perhaps is the best way to say it. But it's been fun. We've been walking around looking at the campus. I haven't been here well, I've been here off and on, but haven't really been inside some of the buildings for 25 years. And a lot has changed. It's of course become more modern, so we're glad you could come along with us today. We're going to be creating some more stuff, so we just wanted to give you a little tour of the University of Missouri. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.